Last year, Habitat for Humanity held a food drive at their 3 Niagara Restore locations, collecting 700 pounds of non-perishable food items over the period. They're back at it again starting this week. Restore manager Jodi Krah is here to tell us how it works. Jodi, your 3rd year now doing this food drive. Who came up with the idea?
Well, it was born from the pandemic. We started hearing that there was food insecurity in Niagara. The shelves at the local charities weren't full. So we decided that we would help them out. So we've picked 3 charities. The Fonthill one is supporting Hope Center in Welland, and the St. Catharines one is supporting community care. And then Grimsby, our Grimsby Restore, is supporting Grimsby Benevolent Fund. That's a tongue twister, but got it out.
How did you choose those 3 charities in particular?
Well, we just know they do a lot of good work.
And so does Habitat for Humanity.
Right.
This is really a great relationship that you're forming with these charities.
Well, thanks for saying that, but we're a community-centered charity. Our mission, as you know, is to build affordable, safe homes for families in Niagara that need that. But then we also want to help the community out in other ways. And so we look to charities that are needing help. And we're tackling food insecurity right now, but we welcome to any ideas that come our way.
The way this food drive works, people bring in a non-perishable food item and they get 25% off at the store, which is a great win-win situation.
Absolutely. We want to say thank you to those people that are coming in to shop at our stores. So when they bring in whatever they're bringing in, there's barrels set up in the store. They can drop that off. And anything in the store, then they get 25% off by using the coupon. And they could use the coupon at any 3 stores. So if they drop off at our St. Catharines store, they could use it at Grimsby or Fonthill.
Now tell me, you are manager of the Fonthill store. What is inside that store right now? Because it's different day by day by day.
It absolutely is, Mike. It's the funnest place to work and volunteer at. You can find furniture. You can find all kinds of things to renovate with, like flooring and doors. There's appliances, kitchens, which are a great seller for us. You would not believe what people donate for kitchens. So right now I have kitchens starting at $499 all the way up to $6,299.
And these are kitchens that your crew goes out and helps to, I guess, uninstall and bring back.
Exactly right. We have a salvage crew. They're very professional. They'll come out and in a morning they take out an entire kitchen. It's some of them have granite. Some of them are stunning, like stunningly beautiful. And the savings, the kitchen that nowadays you might pay $40,000, $50,000 for, $6,200 and it's yours. And there's no tax ever when you shop at the stores.
And Jodi, all of the sales from these stores help to support Habitat's home builds.
Right. So you can feel good when you shop. You can feel good when you donate. Everything changes every day. This is one of the funnest things about the Restore, Mike, is that you never know what someone's going to pull up with. And over the years, our stores in Niagara have gotten some pretty amazingly weird and fun things in.
Jodi, the dates for the food drive, September 26th to October 6th at all 3 locations of the Habitat for Humanity Restores in Niagara. Thanks so much for joining us today.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.